Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my full wash day routine that has allowed me to grow long, strong, and bouncy hair. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So to begin, I advise you have some clips, any type of oil of your choice, a wide pick tooth comb, water, and if you want, you can also use conditioner if you need that added slip. I didn't use it, but you're more than welcome to. So this little bun you see, that's how my hair has been for about a week, and then 5 days before that, it was a wash and go. So my hair is long overdue for some TLC, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. Okay, so if you saw my first video, you already know that water is bae. So what I'm doing is just spraying water down where I plan on parting my hair with my fingers, which you're about to see me do right here, because I need to separate my hair into four sections. Okay, so once I separated my hair into two halves, I'm then gonna do the exact same thing where I spray water where I plan on parting with my fingers. And I'm just going to take that section that I have in my hand, roll it around, and then I'm just gonna place a clip there. That way I can work on the back with no problem. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is spray my hair, not to get it saturated, just to get it damped. And the reason for me doing this is because right now my hair is in a dry, brittle stage, and me putting some water on it will just help loosen up some of those knots that I've gained. Next, I'm applying some oil. Oil just helps me with making my hair soft, and it also makes the process easier when I actually do wash my hair with my non-sulfate shampoo. Oh yeah, and make sure you put a little bit of oil on the ends. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, and you want to make sure you're taking care of them. Now I'm taking my wide tooth comb, and I am combing through my hair. I'm starting at the ends, and I'm slowly working my way up to the root of my hair. You always want to start with combing through the ends of your hair because you don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage or pulling on your hair. So always start at the ends and work your way up. Now that this piece is all detangled, I'm just going to twist it. That way I can easily work on the next section of my hair. Okay, so now you're gonna see me use the exact same method towards the front of my hair. I'm going to first spray my head with water, then I'm going to apply the oil, and then start combing at the ends of my hair and working my way up. And now this is my hair detangled and separated in four sections. Okay, so now I'm ready to wash my hair, but before I do, I make sure that my entire head is drenched in water. You also see me lightly scratching the roots of my head, and the reason why I do that, I just try to lift up all of the dirt that has accumulated over time. So I'm doing that while simultaneously making sure my head is drenched in the water. Okay, so right here you see me pumping out my sulfate-free shampoo. Y'all can't see that it's sulfate-free, but it is though. And before I apply it, I'm just gonna unravel the twist that I made, and then I'm just going to be gently applying the shampoo towards the root of my hair. You don't see me applying it to my hair shaft or my ends because you don't have to. When you rinse the shampoo out, it's going to touch those parts of the head anyway, of the hair anyway. So here's just a close-up of me applying the shampoo to the roots of my hair. I really want to make sure that my scalp is cleansed, and you do not have to worry about putting the shampoo directly on the shaft and the ends, because when you rinse out your shampoo, it's going to touch all sections of the hair strand. Okay, once all the shampoo is rinsed out, I am now applying my conditioner. And once that conditioner is applied, I am then going to do a flat twist. That way, when I work on the other section of my hair, it doesn't get in the way. Disclaimer. I did not realize that I made so many faces while I was washing my hair. That just looks really weird. So, my bad. Boy, anyway, now that my entire head is cleansed, I'm just making sure that the conditioner is evenly distributed throughout before I rinse it out with Watts Ha. So this is what my hair looks like after it has been shampooed and conditioned. Just doing a little length check real quick. Yes, girl, we see you with the inches or whatever. Just kidding. Okay, so the last thing I do is deep condition, which everyone should be doing. Bro, sis, you need to be deep conditioning. If you want to see length retention, moisture, strength, you need to deep condition at least once a week. I'm telling you. And this part is very simple. I'm just parting down the middle. That way I can just apply the deep conditioner to 1/2 at a time. So that's what you see me doing right here. I'm just taking half of that packet and I'm gonna smell it. It smells real good. And I'm just gonna apply it to one side of my head. And then once I'm done applying it throughout, I'm just going to do a flat twist. And then you are gonna see me do the exact same thing with the other side. Sometimes when you're here, I can feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are. So once your deep conditioner is applied to both sides, you're pretty much done, but I'm cheap. I don't believe in wasting. So any excess amount that's in that packet, I squeeze it out. I do not play. And I put it around, look at me, squeezing it out. Get it, sus, get it all. Every last drop. And what I do, I put it around the edges of my hair, and I also put it on the ends because, again, our ends are the weakest parts of our hair, and we want to make sure that it's moisturized. And then you're just gonna see me put a plastic cap over my head, or you can even use a grocery bag. It really doesn't matter. This next part is optional, but when I'm deep conditioning, I always apply heat with my hot head cap, because when you deep condition, if you're not also using heat, you're gonna get like the minimal benefit, because the deep conditioner is not able to penetrate through the cuticle and get to the cortex of the hair. But if you apply heat, then it's gonna open up that cuticle and allow it to penetrate on through. Okay, so I placed my hot head cap in the microwave for 45 seconds 3 times. That's what the directions say do, so that's how I do it. And I put it on my head and I leave my cap on for about 30 minutes to an hour. It really just depends on how much time I have. Okay, so about an hour has passed, and now I am ready to take out my deep conditioner. You can see that the conditioner definitely penetrated through my cuticle. Everything looks very, very moisturized, and my twists even look juicy. So all I'm gonna do is just rinse this out with some cold, and I mean ice cold water, and then I'm pretty much done. Once the conditioner is rinsed out, I'm just taking my microfiber towel and just drying off the two twists that I have in my hair. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye.